onion water on an empty stomach in the morning. Very effective for the body, 100% guaranteed. Ingredients: 1/2 diced red onion, 1 cup of room temperature water. Cover and leave to soak overnight and drink in the morning. Benefits are: packed with nutrients, loaded with antioxidants, cancer-fighting compounds, help control blood sugar, boost bone density, have antibacterial properties, boost digestive health, reduce inflammation in the body and burn calories, help with bladder infections, lower blood pressure,